through Java. The main concept, the OOPS stands for Object-Oriented Programming Language. In OOPS, we have 6 different types, whereas class, object, inheritance, abstraction, encapsulation, and polymorphism. Here, class stands for the blueprint or token for the class. Object is an instance of class which is derived from the class object is made. Inheritance is the parent-child relationship where one class can inherit the properties of the another class, and abstraction is the process where the implementation is hidden and required output is given to the user. Like we use different types of functions and methods like print function or else int function, different types of functions we use without knowing the actual code in it. Next, polymorphism. Polymorphism is the process where a problem can be solved in different forms. We have 2 main topics in it, method overloading and method overriding. Next, we have inheritance, abstraction, polymorphism, and encapsulation. Encapsulation is the process where we can wrap the data inside one class. So we can store all the data in one class to bind it. Let's dive into the basic concepts of Java. Structure of Java program. This is the basic structure of a Java program where we use, this is the syntax, and what is the programming style? Programming style is also known as the coding style, where a proper structure of a program is derived. We use indentation here, like we use a tab like 4 spaces. This is the program that is called a programming style. Here we derived int a equal to 10. We have different Java statements called iterative, like declarative statements or assignment statements. What is declarative statements means? Int a equal to, we declared the variable equal to 10 is assigned. So we assigned a value to the variable a. This is called a declarative statement, and this is called an assignment statement. And we also have different types of statements which can be used in jump statements, control flow statements. Control flow statements are used in if, else, or switch statements we use. We also use looping statements like for loop, while loop, or do while loop. We have different data types in Java too. Like example, we have 2 main different data types called primitive and non-primitive. Primitive data types are predefined data types in Java language, and non-primitive data types are also known as reference data types, whereas we used to reference them. These are derived from the user, and these are already built-in data types. For example, int, char, float, double, etc. Non-primitive data types examples are string, class, inheritance, interferences, example, and etc. We have typecasting. Typecasting is the process where we can change one data type into another data type. We have two main types in typecasting: explicit and implicit. Implicit means changing the data type from smaller data type to longer data type. For example, we can convert the data type from int to long int. We have types of int: long int, short int, etc. So we can change the float to double. So that is called implicit typecasting. And explicit typecasting is the process where we can convert longer data type to the shorter data type with the help of a programmer. Like we use parenthesis in it, int of or variable name we use here, so that it can convert from longer data type to shorter data type. The main applications of Java in today's world are: we can use Java programming in full stack development or web development, like we use in backend mainly, and we use in game development. Also in cloud computing, we have different clouds like Google Cloud or AWS, Azure. We use Java majorly there. And any doubts?
What are the applications of class?
Java,
yeah.
Applications of Java nowadays, we use Java in different applications, like in full stack development or game development, app development, Android development, iOS development. Majorly we use in cloud computing too. Thank you.
Next.